Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to give you the option to enable or disable advanced indexing options. Those are Windows key plus S. Start typing in indexing. Click on indexing options. Now indexing keeps track of files on your computers for faster search. Under advanced, there's a lot of options. Indexing encrypted files, file types, rebuild the search engine, current location, What's going to happen is we're going to block this out so nobody can touch that. Really easy to do. Registry, files, registry, or group policy editor. My preference, the easiest way, is a registry file. So check this out. Right here, enable or disable advanced indexing options. Look for that link right up here. There's a little eye pops up. You click the eye, click right below, and this should take you over to Major Geeks. Hopefully my mouse is somewhere in the area. Click on that. Click on download now. When you have the files, it's real easy to do. Extract them. And then we're going to decide if we want to disable or enable it. So we want to disable access, so we're going to start there. You double click it. You click run. Click yes. Click yes. Click OK. It's just Windows key and S for search. Index. And look at this. Gone. Double click enable if you change your mind. And you can hide these anywhere or take them off the computer where nobody can find these either. Let's take a look. And it's back. Piece of cake. So there you go. That's my preferred method just because it works, as you saw, so easily. I'm going to give you the other two real quick if you want to. You would have to go to this location, so you can highlight that. Windows key plus R, R-E-G-E-D-I-T, regedit, OK or enter. And you'd enter that right here. Press enter. As you can see, I don't have a Windows, I do have a Windows search. You may not. I didn't have it earlier. Must be something with my registry files. Just kidding. So, we want to create a D word right here. New. D word 32-bit value. Prevent, you see it. Prevent using advanced indexing options. Value data must be 1. You can see that over here. You see the 0? That means we need to go in here, double click that, change this value data to a 1. Now it will be disabled again. What about group policy editor? Windows key plus R, gpedit.msc. You need to have Windows 10 Home to do or Pro to do this. Windows 10 Home will not work. And just follow through what you see here. Computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows component, search. I'll click by setting name to find it easier. And we're looking for prevent the display of advanced indexing options. Tripping over my tongue a lot today. Prevent the indexing. Where'd it go? Prevent the display. There it is. Edit. Prevent the display of advanced indexing options. There you go. Bada boom. Not configured is your default. Enabled will, in this case, make them hidden. Or can't be open. And disabled, as is many things in Group Policy Editor, disabled will be the same as not configured. So you can actually do either one. I prefer to stick with not configured because we know it's a default. Enabled to hide it, not configured to put it back. Click OK, and you're done. But again, I think you'll agree that the registry files are probably the easiest way to go on this one. So there you have it. So once again, just follow that link through. Download now. You're off to the races. Bottom right corner, subscribe button, all that stuff. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.